So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason there are devices in your Find My application that are basically just missing. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, but sometimes if you're going through, and if you have some sort of devices and for some reason they're missing here, the very first thing I recommend doing for the most part is just making sure that that device isn't actually mislabeled or if it's not listed as something else. Sometimes your AirPods may have a different name that you're not used to or whatever, so try going through and seeing what's going on. Now, you may also just want to make sure that those particular devices support Find My. Not every single device supports it. If you have an Apple Pencil or certain devices that Apple has made, they may not support that particular feature set. So keep that in mind. If you did that, then that might be the situation that's going on here too. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, another thing you may want to try doing is making sure that those particular devices that you had under Find My were connected to this particular iPhone. If they were connected to a different iPhone or someone else's iPhone or device or something like that, that can also be another problem that's going on here too. So try checking that out. Now, on top of that, you may need to update your iPhone. Sometimes there are devices that Apple has made that need to be on a certain version of iOS or iPadOS. So you may have to just go through and update your iPhone here too, or update your iPad. So what you want to do here is go inside of your settings of your particular iPhone, iPad, Mac, whatever you have. Find your general settings, which is right here. Go and click on software update, and all you're going to want to do is basically just update your particular iPhone. Now, this is another thing you can try doing as well. And once again, for a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do. Also try restarting your device or checking up on another device that you may have and seeing if you can find it that way. But that's another way to fix the problem as well. So in terms of that, this pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.